Wall paneling is all the rage in Irish interior design right now, and for good reason. Different types of wall paneling offer a variety of benefits to your aesthetic, insulation, the sound quality in your home, and the look and feel of your home. In this video we talk about the 8 most popular different types of wall paneling. Which of these versatile styles and designs could help you bring your dream interiors to life? Acoustic wall panels. Also known as accoupanels or accompanies, acoustic wall panels are designed to act like soundproofing panels, the likes of which you might find in a recording studio or karaoke room. These panels absorb excess sound wherever they are installed, reducing tinny vibrations and elevating the sound quality of your interior spaces, whilst reducing the noise your home emits and receives from outside, such as from neighboring rooms and houses. Acoustic wall panels are vertically slatted to offer a gorgeous aesthetic, perfect for creating stunning feature walls which showcase your decor, furnishings, and technology. Benefits of acoustic panels include improved sound quality, reduction in unwanted noise, echoes, and tinny vibrations, improved mental well-being and productivity. Wood slat panels mimic the gorgeous aesthetic of natural wood with all the durability, wear and tear resistance, and easy installation of MDF. These wooden wall panels are made from ultra-strong foil-wrapped MDF, making them light, affordable, and easy to work with. Their construction also offers our customers ultimate control over the final look of their next interior renovation, with the ability to choose from various stunning colors. Slat wall panels. Designed with tongue and groove technology, the range of slat wall panels click together like Lego to make designing and installing them as features in your home ridiculously easy. These are panels you can't afford to pass up if you're looking for a quick and budget-friendly home makeover. Real wood interiors look gorgeous, we all know that, but they also tend to be prohibitively expensive, hard to install, and even harder to maintain, requiring regular maintenance and often easily scratching, a big no-no for Irish families with pets and young kids. Slat wall panels are designed with eye-catching vertical slats that draw the eye, creating the illusion of taller ceilings and broader spaces for maximum visual impact. Slatted wall paneling is made of WPC, that's industry speak for wood plastic composite. Wainscoting. Wainscoting is one of the most enduring types of wall paneling on the market, having gained popularity during the Victorian era and remained popular ever since. It is a half-height type of wall panel which, like all the rest of the paneling featured here, you can install directly on top of your existing walls with ease. 3D wall panels. 3D wall panels are as they sound, a type of wall paneling with rich and varied textures which stand out from the wall, creating various 3D effects wherever they are installed. These are a particularly bold type of wall panel which won't suit every taste, budget, nor interior style, but which can still make a grand statement for those of you who really like to wow your guests. Shiplap wall panels. Shiplap paneling is a style of paneling which was once most commonly found in the interiors of sailing vessels, whereby plain wooden planks are laid horizontally, one overlapping the other in a repeating pattern. This style of laying the panels makes them easy to install, as each subsequent panel is secured in place by nailing the overlapping portion of the top plank to the hidden portion of the plank beneath. Perfect for recreating a superbly rustic home interior. Beadboard wall panels. Beadboard wall paneling might at first look like slat wall or woodluxe wall paneling, yet it carries one almost imperceptible difference. In between each vertical slat is a thin protruding seam, or bead, which gives beadboard panels their unique appearance. Typically made from MDF, beadboard panels are also moisture resistant, relatively affordable, and easy to work with. Tongue and groove wall panels. Tongue and groove wall panels is more of an umbrella term encompassing the wide variety of panels which utilize this technology, and can be made from a huge range of materials, making the cost, durability, aesthetic quality and ease of installation greatly variable. Choosing the right wall paneling for your home depends on your budget, your taste, the colors you've chosen for each new interior space, and whether or not you have any additional needs besides aesthetics, such as the need to improve sound quality. Not sure which wall panels is for you? Start by ordering free wall panels from our website here.